balancing freelancing, and improving my English has been quite the journey. At first, it felt overwhelming. I had deadlines looming, clients waiting, and on top of that, I needed to sharpen my language skills. But I quickly realized that I could tackle both challenges at once. One of my first tools was Grammarly. I can't tell you how much it has helped me. I'd write proposals and send them off, only to get feedback that made me cringe. But with Grammarly, I could catch those pesky grammar mistakes and awkward phrases before they reach my clients. It's like having a personal editor right there with me. I started to feel more confident in my writing, knowing I had a safety net. Then there's Duolingo. I decided to dedicate a few minutes each day to practice. It's fun and gamified, which makes learning feel less like a chore. I'd be sitting there, tapping away at my phone, and suddenly I'd realize I was picking up vocabulary and sentence structures without even trying too hard. I'd practice phrases that I could actually use in my work, like, "I look forward to your feedback," or "let's schedule a call." It was empowering to see my progress, and it made me eager to learn more. YouTube tutorials became my go-to for visual learning. I found channels dedicated to English language skills, and they were a goldmine. I'd watch videos on everything from business English to pronunciation tips. There's something about seeing someone explain a concept that clicks for me. I'd take notes, pause the video to repeat phrases, and even practice speaking along with the host. It felt like I was in a virtual classroom, and I was soaking it all in. As I started writing more proposals in English, I realized that feedback was my best friend. I'd send my drafts to a couple of friends who were fluent, and their insights were invaluable. They pointed out areas where I could improve, and I learned to embrace constructive criticism. Each revision made my writing stronger, and I began to see my unique voice emerge. It was a thrilling process, watching my skills evolve with every proposal I submitted. With each passing day, I noticed a shift in my confidence. Client communication that once felt daunting became a breeze. I started to engage in conversations, ask questions, and clarify details without second-guessing myself. I could feel the difference in my tone and clarity. I was no longer just a freelancer. I was a freelancer who could communicate effectively in English. This journey has taught me that balancing work and language improvement isn't just possible, it's rewarding. Every tool I've used, every proposal I've written, and every conversation I've had has brought me closer to my goals. I'm excited to see where this path leads me next.